Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for coming through. In today's video, I'm taking you to the aquarium, Swakopmund, Namibia, for you to come and see live fish in water. Guys, I'm so excited to go in this place. It has a lot of fish, different types of fish, live fish in water. And if you've never subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. So let's go to the aquarium, guys. Wow, guys, we have arrived. You see different type of fish in water, and this place looks so beautiful. It looks so natural. I like how the walls looks. You see how the water is moving. You see those little fish over there. Wow, this looks so good, so greenish in there. Wow, I love this place. You see that? Such a beautiful place. There is that black thing. I don't know if it's a fish or just something that looks like a fish, but it's kind of confusing, guys. I also don't know what it is, but it looks amazing though. It's called a sea hale. See those little things, guys. I love eating those things. If you have ever eaten those stuffs, just comment down below. Tell me if you love them. Wow, amazing creation. And those little starfish over there, they just look so amazing. Wow, see that black fish under that stone. There's a little fish under there. You can just see a shiny eye of the fish. And we have this one. I don't know if I can call it a zebra fish because it looks, yes, black and white thingies. And wow, guys, look at that shark. It just passed by now. I don't know if you can still see it, but there's the shark going. There's a lot of fish in this place, guys. If you can just see how they are enjoying doing their own stuffs. Wow, this is such a beautiful place, guys. If you are in Walvis Bay, Namibia, all over places in Namibia, and have never visited aquarium, it's situated in Swakopmund. Just make some inquiries and just visit this place, guys. It has wonderful views of different types of fish. There's a lot of stuff in this place, and it's just a beautiful place. So quiet, so amazing. Children can enter, everybody can just go in this place, and it's so cheap. It's very cheap, guys. Imagine we went 4 of us, but we just paid I mean, we were five, but we just paid $40. That is so good, so amazing, guys. And you're allowed to take pictures, you're allowed to make videos. It's just a very nice place. And when you're in this place, you're just so free. Nobody is behind you saying this and that. And we have a very big bone there. It's a fish bone, fish backbone. Wow, this is a big fish. And these are just dried animal I mean sea beds that are dried over here. They're just dried and they were placed here. And here we have a kind of a boat, a prototype of a boat that is just placed over here. And here we have this black thing. I don't know, guys. I don't know what it's called, but something in the water. And I don't know how to call it, but it looks good. Just everything that you need to see, guys. And I just decided to go upstairs to go and check what's going on there upstairs, guys. Wow, that's the top of everything that you have seen up there. And perhaps you came with your children, they can play with those little things. They have screens there. They used to play games and stuff, but now due to COVID-19, I think they put off the games. The children can't play with them anymore. So yeah, finally I went to the ladies room and it looks so good, looks natural. Thank you guys for watching. May God bless you and may God be with you. Goodbye.